All right, guys, this is the Shop-Vac 5-gallon, 4.5 horsepower wet dry vac. This is new. I have another one of these. I bought a smaller one, and I wanted it to be aluminum. They're just, to me, I think they're just easier to use, and they're easier to clean. I like the way they look. I think they last longer too. So for filters, it comes with, again, a wet filter, a dry filter, and it also comes with a bag as well, which is nice. You can put this bag in there. Especially the bag is really important if you're doing like dust and stuff like that, because that way it doesn't come out the back here. You got multiple attachments with this, and they go on the back here, and you got a spot to wrap up the cord as well on the back. I've got plastic Shop-Vacs as well. Like I said, when I'm traveling, I like to have a 5-gallon with me. This is great for cleaning up messes. I do toilet installs and stuff every once in a while. So again, having that wet dry vac is pretty important for me. This is just a really nice Shop-Vac. Like I said, I really like the aluminum here. I think it tends to look better. I think it lasts longer, and it's just solid.